Nurse salary in Singapore. Singapore is the favorite destination for nurses come from Asian continent. Singapore nurses earn good salary when compared to other Asian countries. Average staff nurse get 5,950 Singapore dollars SGD per month, 71 Singapore dollars, 550 per annum. Singapore. Singapore, officially the Republic of Singapore, is a sovereign island country and city-state in maritime Southeast Asia. It has the third highest population density in the world. Singapore currency. The Singapore dollar, SGD, is the currency of the island state of Singapore. The symbol of the currency is $. It is divided into 100 cents. The currency is issued and monitored by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. 1 Singapore dollar is equals to 58 Indian rupees, Indian rupee. 1 Singapore dollar is equals to 42 peso, Philippine peso. 1 Singapore dollar is equals to 70 cents, United States dollar. Nurse salary in Singapore. Salary for nurse in Singapore depends on many factors, such as experience, education, and grades. The field and the position in which the nurse works will determine his/her salary in Singapore. There are 3 different fields in Singapore, namely, clinical field, management field, and education field. Topmost position for nurses in these fields is Director of Nursing, high-ranked position for nurses in Singapore. Field and position of nurses in Singapore. 1. Clinical field. 2. Management field. 3. Education field. Role/position growth hierarchy for each field is illustrated below. Each field's hierarchy starts from lowest to highest position. Clinical field of nursing. Nurse clinician. Senior nurse clinician. Assistant Director of Nursing. Director of Nursing. Management field of nursing. Senior/assistant nurse. Senior/staff nurse. Nurse manager. Senior nurse manager. Assistant Director of Nursing. Director of Nursing. Education field of nursing. Nurse educator. Senior nurse educator. Assistant Director of Nursing. Director of Nursing. Average nurse salary. Average staff nurse monthly salary, 5,950 Singapore dollars SGD, 71,550 Singapore dollars SGD yearly. Low salary, 2,860 Singapore dollars SGD. Average salary, 5,960 Singapore dollars SGD. High salary, 9,360 Singapore dollars SGD. Staff nurse salary by experience. Less than 2-year experience, 3,350 Singapore dollars SGD. 2 to 5-year experience, 4,750 Singapore dollars SGD. 5 to 10 experience, 6,240 Singapore dollars SGD. 10 to 15 experience, 7,670 Singapore dollars SGD. 15 to 20 experience, 8,160 Singapore dollars SGD. 20 plus experience, 8,940 Singapore dollars SGD. Nurse position in Singapore. Enrolled nurse. The enrolled nurse is authorized to carry out nursing assignments under delegation, supervision, or direction of a registered nurse, advanced practice nurse, and/or medical doctor. Enrolled nurse earns 1,800 Singapore dollars SGD per month. Registered nurse. The scope of practice of a registered nurse, RN, is the range of functions, responsibilities, activities, and decision-making that the registered nurse, RN, is authorized to perform. Registered nurse role includes supervision of and delegation to enrolled nurses and other support staff. Registered nurses with diploma in nursing/health science earn 2,500 Singapore dollars SGD per month, and registered nurses with degree in nursing will get 3,500 Singapore dollars SGD per month. Staff nurse. Staff nurse play important role in healthcare sector. Their salary depends on the private and public sector. In most cases, staff nurse earns more salary in private than public sector. Staff nurse works in private hospital get 2,600 Singapore dollars to 4,500 Singapore dollars SGD per month, and in public, government, hospital get 2,200 Singapore dollars to 4,540 Singapore dollars SGD per month. Senior staff nurse in private earns 3,350 Singapore dollars to 6,000 Singapore dollars SGD, and in government, public, get 3,100 Singapore dollars to 6,300 Singapore dollars SGD per month. Nurse manager. Nurse manager main role is to manage a ward or department in a healthcare institution. Role and responsibilities of manager is to manpower resourcing, planning and retention of manpower, job evaluation and redesign and policy review and modification of policies if requires. Mostly policies will be determined and modified by the healthcare management and the director of nursing. Nurse manager in public sector earns 4,900 Singapore dollars to 8,000 Singapore dollars SGD per month, and in private sector get 4,560 Singapore dollars to 9,230 Singapore dollars SGD per month. Nurse salary by job title or specialization. Enrolled nurse, 1,800 Singapore dollars SGD, monthly. Registered nurse, diploma in nursing/health science, 2,500 Singapore dollars SGD. Registered nurse, degree in nursing, 3,500 Singapore dollars SGD. Staff nurse, private, 2,600 Singapore dollars SGD to 4,500 Singapore dollars SGD. Staff nurse, public, 2,200 Singapore dollars SGD to 4,540 Singapore dollars SGD. Senior staff nurse, private, 3,350 Singapore dollars SGD to 6,000 Singapore dollars SGD. Senior staff nurse, public, 3,100 Singapore dollars SGD to 6,300 Singapore dollars SGD. Nurse manager, public, 4,900 Singapore dollars SGD to 8,000 Singapore dollars SGD. Nurse manager, public, 4,560 Singapore dollars SGD to 9,230 Singapore dollars SGD. Thanks for watching this video. Any questions, comment below. Thank you all. If you like this video, like, comment and share to all. Thank you.